Hey developers, so in this video I'm going to talk about different font weights you can use in Tailwind CSS. So let's add a text. This is thin text, and for that we can use font thin, and let's also make it text 5XL, and let's also use this is extra light text, and here we can use font extra light, yeah, and the same like that we can use font light, and also there are a couple of more classes, font normal. This is font normal, so let's also use medium. Let's close this p tag here, and this is the semi bold. So let's save this file and let's see the output in the browser. So you can see we have this is the thin text, this is extra light, this is light, and this is normal. Okay, so we did not use font 5XL in normal. So let's use text 5XL. So you can see this is the normal text, this is the medium, this is semi bold, and you can use extra bold. So instead of showing you all the classes, I can show you the classes available in Tailwind CSS. So these are the classes that you can use. You can also use the custom property, and for that you need arbitrary value. Let's try to use an arbitrary value. So let's try use this is arbitrary value font, and then you have to use a square bracket. So let's say 1200 text 5XL, and let's save this. If I go back to the browser and reload the page, so this is not working. I think we can only use to 1000, I think. Let's see in example. Yes, we can use 1000, not 1200. I think that's the maximum value for arbitrary value. Yeah, so we can use the maximum as 1000. So these are the classes that you can use. You can also combine with the different screen sizes. So you can use the SM, medium, and different breakpoints to use different font weights.